to miss Tito Nick when you go to Canada? Hmm? Hmm? Y-E-S? How about Tita Nick?
We're driving kasi kulang ang kulit namin.
Hey, very good. Ano naman eh?
Hi, Tita La.
Hello. Yan yan.
Hi, Tito Nick.
Hello!
Kulang ang uling.
Papadali kami.
Ang uling kaman.
Ulam ang
Dapat mahabol ang uli.
Hi, Mami.
Ang lechon na
I
walang
love you,
budget.
I love you, Mom.
to your left is Kelly's.
So, yun yan. Ano ka man?
Ano ka? Aliyah pot-pot.
We're on the roundabout.
Sige na, go Tito Nick. Nagda-drive si Tito Nicky. Go Tito Nick, kamusta mag-drive?
I'm tired.
Ayun, dahil traffic. Oh, grabe ka traffic. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Punong-puno ng kotse. Yan, nakita niya, stoplight. Oh, bilangin yung kotse, makita nyo. Yan.
Walang tao sa island.
Buhay Bahamas. Tama?
Uy, ka.
Whoop, yeah.
Walang. Ano masasabi mo sa Bahamas yun? What can you
Goodbye,
say
Mama.
about Bahamas?
Oh!
Where are you going?
We're going to Canada.
Are you going to Canada?
But I'm gonna most bring my friend, Mr. Quacky and Tita Luck. And
Yay!
Tito Archie.
How about the driver? How about the driver, Tito Nicky? Tito Archie, Tito Kwak,
I'm your
Tito Kwak.
driver, you
Ay,
silly.
ito,
Quack, Tito.
my friend Quacky, I did not hear.
No, the quack quack duck is
The
the
quack
driver
quack
of
duck.
me.
We're gonna miss Bahamas.
Did you enjoy your stay here in Bahamas? How long did you stay in Bahamas?
Run, that's the
Ah,
run.
where's the rad? Ang rad, itong rad.
Right.
Saan ang rad? Yan, rad.
Yun.
Yan ang hospital. Ang pinakamagandang hospital. Diyan nagtatrabaho si Tito Nick, nakita niyo.
Read, read.
What else, Yang? How long did you stay in Bahamas, Yang? Were you born in Bahamas?
Aya,
Ha?
wait. To Bahamas, I love you.
Yee!
Ano nga ba niyan?
Patayin pa na stop.